Hi, friends. How are you? Good to see you. Well, good for you to see. Never mind. Anyway, continuing on in chapter 7, dealing with minor scales. We've talked about the natural minor, where you take the major scale and using the modal notes 3, 6, and 7, lowering those a half step and creating the natural minor. Today, we're talking about the harmonic minor scale. All right. And in that, we're going to listen to an example of a waltz by Schubert. All right. And if you look at that, you can see the key signature there is F sharp, C sharp, begins on a B. It's in the key of B minor. It tells you right there. But notice right here, we get the accidentals of A sharp. All right. That corresponds to the 7th scale degree in B minor. Think about B minor, which is right here, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G. A would go by the key signature, but we're borrowing that leading tone back from the major, so we get that strong pull back into the tonic note. Here's the scale, really slowly. So with harmonic minor, we get that half step again between the 7th and 8th scale degree. So we're back to our degree symbol of T, going back to Do. Okay, so there you have the harmonic minor scale. Now, if you look at the progression of half steps and whole steps, you can see it's fairly similar to the natural minor at the beginning. But look here between 6 and 7. Now we have a step and a half, which is known as an augmented second. Right, so there you have a version of the harmonic minor scale. Here's another example, makes use of the harmonic minor scale. This is from a Bach invention for keyboard. Here's the melody. And if you look at the key signature here, you see that we have one flat in the key signature. It begins on D. The key is D minor, but notice here we have the accidental of C sharp. That is the leading tone to D. And here again, you have it right there. And another one right there. Right, so to write harmonic minor scales, begin with the natural minor and then raise the flatted 7th a chromatic half step to make it a leading tone, T. If you do it from the major scale, you would write out the major scale, and then just like in natural minor, you're going to lower 3 to flat 3 and 6 to flat 6. Flat 6 means you're just lowering it a half step. If it's a sharp, it becomes a natural. If it's a natural, it becomes a flat. And then you'll leave 7 by itself. Here we have some harmonic minor scales. G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F sharp, G. And here we have it raised up a half step. All right, so next we come to triad number 2, which I will walk through with you in another video. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll help as best I can.